Players practice changing up their dribbling speed in this game we call Sleeping Giant. Use a half-court size space. Then scatter cones, more than one per player near half court. Here's how it looks. Line players up along the baseline. Everyone gets a ball. The Giant stands at half court. That's you, coach. No offense.
Me, I'm the sleeping giant. I'm the giant. Your goal is to go and get my treasure. See all the cones? That's my treasure.
Stand behind the cones at half court and turn your back to the players. On your call, they start dribbling towards the treasure. When the Giant wakes up and turns around, they do a jump stop and freeze in place. If you catch anyone moving, they must go back to the baseline.
Good jump stops. Ooh, I saw you. You gotta go back. Oh, he's going!
As soon as a player takes a piece of treasure, the Giant wakes up and chases everyone, trying to tag them as they run back to the baseline. The first player to bring 3 pieces of treasure back to safety wins the round. Getting chased by a Giant is exciting stuff. And some players may forget to dribble. Remind them that in an actual game, if they're not dribbling, a referee will call them for traveling. Giant or no Giant.
Oh, he's going! Oh no! Oh no! He got 3! Great job.